There are still more questions than answers regarding the FBI's search of former President Trump's Mar-a-Lago estate.
The White House remaining quiet tonight, and the Department of Justice and the FBI are not saying a word either. What we do know tonight, the answers are sealed in federal court documents.
WPTV's Matt Cesny is live near Mar-a-Lago tonight with the latest on the search of former President Trump's estate. Matt?
Yeah, Jay, I can tell you, it's been pretty busy out here around Mar-a-Lago today on Palm Beach, as you might expect. There are a lot of supporters of former President Donald Trump here, walking by, driving by, carrying flags, playing music. There's a lot of media here as well. On the property itself, it's been pretty quiet. A couple vehicles we've seen on the back lawn. But as you mentioned at the top of the newscast, there's a lot of focus on those documents, especially the search warrant that the FBI used to get onto the property of Mar-a-Lago yesterday. And those documents detailing the search warrant, we're told, contain the key details of what it is the FBI believes was inside Mar-a-Lago yesterday and what sort of crime the FBI believes may have been committed.
This has got to be a really tight search warrant because this is uncharted territory. This is not going to be a fishing expedition.
Palm Beach County State Attorney Dave Ehrenberg filled us in on his thoughts over the search warrant the FBI used at Mar-a-Lago. The Monday search at the Palm Beach home of former President Donald Trump came shrouded in secrecy, a sealed document signed off by a federal judge.
This is clearly, in my mind, something that involves national security, and it must be a willful breach. They're not doing this because of negligence or an accident.
Legal experts say any such warrant, especially in this case, needs to be very specific about what the FBI is looking for and where it might be. And it's not a license to tear the place apart. Valentine Rodriguez is a West Palm Beach attorney.
So oftentimes search warrants are based on meetings with cooperators or undercover persons who give them the data they need to create the affidavit. A lot of times affidavits are based upon confidential informants alone.
All of this is still speculation, but one thing seems clear to many about the search.
It means the case is very strong because they would not have staked their careers, the supervisors' careers, on a frivolous warrant to a former president's home, you know, who may be running for president in the near future.
All right, here's one interesting footnote to all this. Palm Beach Police, the hometown police force for Mar-a-Lago here, didn't seem too pleased at all about what took place here yesterday, saying they weren't even aware of the search and noting to us in an email about the FBI, quote, "We are disappointed by their lack of communication regarding this incident." We're live near Palm Beach. Matt Cesny, WPTV, News Channel 5.